Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to withdraw USDT from Binance in Canada for 2025. With crypto regulations evolving, especially in Canada, it's crucial to stay updated to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Binance account is fully verified. In Canada, you'll need to complete KYC, know your customer, requirements to comply with the latest 2025 regulations. This might involve uploading ID and proof of address, so double-check that everything's up to date before proceeding. Once verified, head to your Binance dashboard and navigate to the Wallet section. Here, select USDT from your asset list. Now, click on Withdraw. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to choose a network for your withdrawal. For USDT, I recommend using the TRC20 network for faster and cheaper fees, but always verify what's best for your recipient. Next, enter the withdrawal amount. Remember, there might be minimum limits and daily caps set by Binance, especially for Canadian users under the new 2025 rules. Then, input the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any costly mistakes. If you're withdrawing to a Canadian bank or exchange, ensure it's compatible with USDT. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including fees and estimated arrival time. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. Once done, your USDT should be on its way. In Canada, withdrawals might take a bit longer due to regulatory checks, so be patient. A quick word of advice: always use a secure wallet and keep an eye on market volatility. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.